Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling Preparation course.
In this session, we will be seeing how to use the pivot function in MS Excel. A pivot table can be used to summarize, sort, reorganize, group, count, total, or average data stored in a large table. When we have large data in our Excel sheet, using the pivot function, we can also get a status analysis report within a short time. In our sheet here, we have students who have participated in exams from different states and their attendance report. Let's generate a report using the pivot table. Select all the data in Excel, then go to Data, choose Pivot Table. The message box asks where we need to insert the pivot function. If we choose a new sheet will be created for inserting the pivot table. If we choose an existing sheet, we can create it in the same sheet and choose the range where we need to display the result. I am choosing from F to I and then clicking on Create. We can see that the pivot table has been created in the same sheet. In the pivot table, under row and under column, you can see the data header fields. In rows, let us select the state. Now, we have got the unique list of the states. Let us check how many students are from each state. For that, we need to know the count of the students. For that, we need to know the count. So, go to Value and choose State. The value shows how many times the state has been repeated in this column, and we also got the count of students from each state. If we want to remove the values, just click on the small close mark available here. We also have attendance details of students with us. Let us check how many students were present and absent for morning and afternoon session. For that, we need to choose the attendance and session details. So this time, we will select the session report from row and choose the attendance report from column. You can see that we have got only the data stating present and absent, not the count. In order to obtain the count, as done earlier, we need to go to Values and choose Attendance. Now you can see the report showing the attendance count in both the sessions. You can now see how quickly we summarized certain data from a large table. These are some of the basic applications of pivot table in MS Excel. Do explore the other features as well. Thank you.